Uh,
Mulai ya.
let's go.
1, 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from the CH2BS4114. Today we will be presenting our capstone project named LOKIS, an acronym for Lokasi Seru. Now let me introduce our team members. Next slide. There are Fahri as a mobile development team, Adian Adam as code computing team, Asmenda Jausang and Fatia as machine learning team. Next slide. For the background fact, West Java constituting about 50%, DKI Jakarta comprising about 7%, as many as 79% of Indonesians live in a good economy, influencing purchasing power and vacation mobility. So the Lokis application implements in travel. Next slide. For background there, Lokis or Lokasi Seru aims to make traveling easier. The unique aspect of this project involves applying the TSP and collaborative filtering and recommendation system. Next slide. The reason why we choose this system and what problem we want to tackle was diversity of the person. Second, efficient travel routes. Third, personalization. Fourth, simplified trip planning. Next slide. Comparison with similar service or apps based on the plan, Lokis or Lokasi Seru and Jawara Wisata Subang are quite similar. They share about 60% similarity. But the difference of Lokis, Lokis have TSP and collaborative filtering. Next slide.
Okay, thank you, Fazia. Machine learning, implementation and improvement, reasoning machine learning. Machine learning result dataset. From use, ML result is looking for the search result using Map API, which is contains number, name, category, city, address, place ID, rating, price, open source, and etc. And then machine learning, data visualization and analyze. After that, the result of the data category is the tourist attraction, park, museum, and etc. City, Jakarta, Tangerang, Bogor, Depok, Bekasi. Rating 4.5, price free, and model architecture and training model career of which result total parameters as in the slide image. And prediction and recommendation display the result of the array of user ID. Next, Adi, cloud computing.
Thank you, Linda. We are the cloud computing team employing the following technology. Next. Node.js. We choose Node.js because it enables developers to use JavaScript efficient in creating scalable and efficient server-side application. Next. Salah gue skip. Balik lagi. We are the cloud computing team employ the following technology. Node.js. We chose Node.js because it enables developers to use JavaScript efficient in creating scalable and efficient server-side application. Express is a minimalist web framework for Node.js, designed to simple the development of application and API. Next. GitHub repository. We use a GitHub repository to store files that we work on in Visual Studio Code. We will use the repository for deploying the backend. Next. This is the following is the result of the base URL and API endpoint, which is running on the local server. Next. Please presentation next, ada Mulya Sampurna.
Okay, thank you. The part of a Node.js application that uses Express.js as a framework. This code handles GET request to the location endpoint. This function reads the file data.json. If an error occurs while reading the file, if successful, the code will parse the JSON data and send it a response. Next, please. We use Express.js as a framework, which is a web application framework for Node.js. We also use the file system library, which is the core Node.js module for interacting with the file system. Next, please. This image shows the user interface of Google Cloud Run. There are graphs that display statistics such as the number of request latency, number of container instances, and billable container instances time. Next, please. The figure shows the user interface of the Firebase console. In the authentication session, there are two authentication methods: enable email or password and Google. Next, please. The figure show the user interface of the Postman application, a platform for API testing and development. The Postman application interface open with the Bookshelf API test. The JSON response includes information about the tourist location name, Tribeca Park, including the category, address, latitude, and longitude, and a description of the place. Next, please. The next explanation by Fahri Ramadan. Thank you.
Thank you, Adam. In the mobile development application section, we have two sections: implementation design and implementation to apps. Next, the first implementation to design. For the UI design, we do the application design process using the web-based application Figma. Next, in the second, implementation to apps. The first, we use Android Studio and Kotlin programming language. And then we use Retrofit, Firebase, and Google Service. Next. This is our result for the project. Result from our project is mobile-based application. Next. It is a documentation for the usage step of the Logis application. Next.
Okay, target market. Age range. All age both generally start for teenagers over 15 years old. Roles. People who need recommendation for tourist attraction in the Jabodetabek area. Profession can be used by all users and can be used for travelers. Other attributes in the app can be used without relying on profession. Next. In market strategy, there are 2 points, okay? App branding and user reviews. Next. Possible pilot or trial in the next 6 months. On expanding the coverage area to recommended tourist destinations include cities in Java. After expanding the coverage area, process to develop the application to make it uploaded and available on the Play Store. And this is the timeline, budgeting, and roles that have been planned from January to June. Next. Budget plan. Our budget plan are detailed as the table, thus expense separated into 8-point details. And this is the table that has been created. Next. Strengths, weakness, opportunities, threats. Strengths, efficient planning, personalized recommendation, accurate information, and scalable. Weakness, sustainability, and weak complexity. Opportunities, local tourism, partnership, and new features. Threats, competition, and external technologies. Thank you, Elliot, to the moderator.
And that concludes our presentation. Thank you all for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, sorry ya.
Udah nggak apa-apa guys, langsung upload deh, udah jam
Langsung
7.
dipotong, gue langsung upload deh. Foto dulu lah. Foto buat inian. Tampilan depan.
Oke. Siap-siap.
Saya mau share screen.
Siap-siap. Muka lu tapi gede banget, Ten.
Jangan gitu.
Nggak di layar, maksud gua lu share screen.
Oh iya.
Siap?
Dah.
Iya lah.
Ayo
Satu.
berdua, siapa yang mau share screen?
1, 2, 3.
Aman.
Oke,
Apa gaya gini bes.
save dulu lah.
Upload
Sabar,
Yaudah.
dah.
Yaudah upload.
sabar,
Ih,
sabar.
gua matiin Zoom ya.
Oke,
Zoom-nya
sip.
gua end, pindah ke Google Meet ya.
Satu
Langsung
lagi
join
nggak
Google Meet.
buat dokumentasi?
Emang apa?
Satu.
Habis
Jadi nggak?
10 menit.
Udah
Udah kan?
cekrek screenshot.
1, 2, 3. Udah sekarang jauh yang nampak.
Dah.
Udah.
Dah. End ya.